Hey YouTube, Zogil here, and in 2003, NASA launched two probes to Mars, Opportunity and Spirit, and these probes were launched to study signs of potential liquid water existing on Mars in the past, because if there was liquid water on Mars in the past, if they showed this on the rovers, then it could indicate that Mars used to have life on it, which of course would be groundbreaking. And as I said, these rovers were only supposed to last for 90 days, but they lasted far, far longer. Spirit lasted until 2009, when it got stuck in some mud, and NASA built a whole replica of the rover to try and get it unstuck. However, they failed, and because they were powered by solar panels, solar panels got blocked by the sandstorms on Mars, which led to it stopping. But Opportunity would last far, far longer. These rovers could only move at 0.18 kilometers an hour, so even after 14 years after landing in 2004, in 2018, the Opportunity rover had only been able to travel 26 miles, a bit over, and in fact, an area was renamed on Mars to Marathon Valley, because this was the point where the rover had officially reached a whole marathon of distance travelled. Even though it doesn't sound impressive, of course, the fact that this is something operating on a completely different planet, hundreds of millions of miles away from us, and it was made by humans here on Earth, is impressive. However, unfortunately, in 2018, a huge dust storm broke out on Mars, and it covered the whole planet for a very long time, over a month, and this blocked out the sun from Opportunity, and its last proper picture was this. The sun is barely visible in the picture, and it would only continue getting darker and darker until the rover was no longer able to get sunlight anymore, and unfortunately, after 14 years and over 5,100 Martian days of operation, the Opportunity rover went offline.